everyone, this is Alisha Mordhya and I welcome you all back to my YouTube channel Haksenari. Today in this video, we're gonna talk about a recent controversy about the change of Myntra's logo. This whole case of change of Myntra's logo has become a controversy because of all the jokes, memes, trolls that we are getting to see on internet. People are also calling it a pseudo-feminist idea or a pseudo-feminist case. But here on the video, I want to convey my point and I want to convince the people for how the case should not be seen as a pseudo-feminist case, but rather it can be treated as a new wave of feminism or an active wave of feminism in the country. Let me begin with a little introduction, little background. For the people who might not have read about the case, there is a lady, Ma'am Naz Patel from Mumbai, who is a founder of an NGO, Avista Foundation. This lady is involved in social work for a long time. She has stopped human trafficking. She has fought against a lot of social issues as well. So this lady noticed, or when she was watching TV along with her family members, maybe there was this logo shown on the TV, and how she noticed that some male members of her family are laughing over it. She ignored it once, and the same thing happened with her again. Then when she noticed the logo, she said this in an interview which I watched. She said that it was looking like how a woman give birth to a child. It is looking like a delivery pose of a woman. And when watching it on big screen, she was feeling a little uncomfortable and she felt a little offended by it. And yes, she also mentioned that she is a regular customer of Myntra. So then, when it started troubling her from inside, she also thought that it might be only her who is thinking that way. So she decided to talk to a lot of ladies around. She asked a lot of ladies and discussed this thing with them, and she got the positive response. Then she decided, if it is like this, why not I take a step forward and file a complaint against it. And then she filed a complaint against Myntra's logo. People are accusing her for doing this for her own personal benefits. But I think her background of belonging to social work, which actually be non-profitable, should deny this idea. And also, people are talking about it and people are mocking at it because it is not such a grave issue or such a big issue. And the change in logo is not making any tangible change or a big change in society. I do agree all these things, but then I want to make a point. What I believe in is there is a true range of feminism in a country like India, which is so large. On one hand, we still get to see the cases of female feticide, lack of education in women, lack of awareness among people for personal hygiene, and a lot of things. We still get to see the cases of child marriages. We still get to see how widows are treated in a lot of villages. And on the other hand, we talking about how misogynist songs are problematic, how we should not put sexist joke in public, and how we should work upon little details to bring positive change in the country for women empowerment. So I believe for the development, for the growth of feminist movement in India, both these ranges should be treated and worked upon equally, simultaneously. And yes, this whole case should not be completely ignored or mocked upon because of this reason. It might not bring some tangible or big change, but we can appreciate the fact that because of the new wave of feminism, women are aware of their rights. If that particular woman felt offended, she took all the strength to file a complaint against it. So instead of just keeping it to herself and instead of letting the thing get affected to her more, she decided to bring this in public and file a complaint. And I think this is the awareness that we all are working for. We should all, not only the women, also the men, we should all be aware of our rights. And if something is triggering us, we should speak about it, because we are living in a democratic country and democracy is for the people. I do appreciate Myntra's take over this, because Myntra, this point should be noted that Myntra is not deprived of any resources. Myntra is a big name in e-commerce business. We all do shop from Myntra, and even the people in power in the company might have thought that if a mere change in the logo can make this lady a little happier or more comfortable to shop from us, why is it problematic? And why can't we do it? So I think a lady got offended, she filed a complaint. The party she filed complaint for agreed upon what she was saying, and they worked for the change, and the whole case got sorted. This whole case is affecting nobody's, none of us rights, or violating anything, I believe. And that's how it should not be that much mocked upon. This is the main thing, because whatever we talk about on social media, whatever we write, whatever we make fun of, we should be responsible for what we are giving to the society, what we are giving back to the society. Whatever we are speaking, whatever we are writing, what influence is it putting in on young people's minds? Why are we teaching them how to criticize anything and everything? Why can't we just see the positive sides? I still believe it might not bring a lot big change, but I think this is awareness and this is empowerment that we're talking about, we're fighting for. And this is, this came in public. This is happening in India right now, but this is not the only case around the world, on the globe. There are a lot of things. I have read about 2 cases from US also. I just don't want to mention it because of some issues and some reasons. There also it happened. People did notice some logo and it did change because of some reasons. So it is not a new, it might be a new case in India, but you see the Western countries who we see as modernized or who we see as more developed, and we actually believe that people are more aware there. These things have happened there also. So if it has happened in our country, I think we should appreciate how our country going, how our country is getting more aware, how the women of the country started speaking for what troubling them. There is one more thing that I came across. People are making fun because people are like, okay, why only Myntra's logo? There are a lot of logos which might be offending to people, men as well as women. Like say for example McDonald's logo. So people are like, then why only Myntra's logo? So the same thing, and what about other logos? The same thing an interviewer asked Ma'am Naz Patel, and Ma'am replied that it is not just about women and things that disregard women. If I find anything disregarding to men as well, I will do surely speak. And one more thing I want to say here is, whatever we speak in public, we all should be responsible of it, and responsible of how we're putting influence on young people's mind, what we are giving back to the society. So I don't see any benefit, I don't see any sense in mocking at someone who has fought for her own personal peace, her mental peace, who has fought against something which was triggering her, and especially the one who actually is involved in some sort of social work. In a country like India, civil society play a great role, and I think we should think twice before mocking at such a person, before making fun of such a lady who is herself has done a lot for society. And also I want to conclude the whole video by saying that we should be responsible for what we do because we're putting influence on other people's mind. We can see the things on positive side as well. It's not bad that we criticize, because these topics and these cases are subjective in nature. You might agree, you might not agree. Fourth thing that I want to say here is, until unless it is violating anybody's rights, it can't be called a pseudo feminist thing. And also we can fifth thing, we can treat this whole case as new wave of feminism or an active wave of feminism in the country, instead of just criticizing it completely. Thank you so much. I hope you liked this video. And one thing that I want to say, if you follow me on Instagram, Haksanari ka page Instagram pe bhi hai, and we are having a giveaway. So please check it out. There are just 5 simple steps that you have to follow, and you will get a chance to be a young, lucky winner. The winner will get 500 rupees. Please check it out. I am putting the link in the description, and I hope this video makes sense. And we are coming with some new ideas, new stories, and something that you will surely like in future times. And also I think that I make some sense with the video. For some time I'm putting the comments off. I'm muting the comment section because I know this whole case has got a lot of hatred in public and a lot of criticism. So I'm like a person who actually feels like replying everyone, and like putting consideration in everybody's opinions and views. But for some time I'm busy with some work and I will not be able to do that, so I decided to put off the comment section for some time. That's it for today. I hope I made sense. I hope I was a little able to understand, explain my points. Take care, stay safe, stay happy, and I wish more power to us.